Last video we saw how to compute sine 45, the ratios are for 45 degree, 30 degree and 60 degree. But in this video we are going to see an easy method to remember these values, because we have got many roots and all that. So easy method to compute, so to remember these trigonometric values. Okay. So let us take our hand. Our hand is the way to you method to you to find to remember these trigonometric values. Let us have this thumb as 0 degree, this finger as 30, this finger as 45, this finger as 60 and the little finger as 90 degree. I'll tell you once more. Thumb as 0 degree, pointing finger as 30 degree, this finger as 45 degree, ring finger as 60 degree and little finger as 90 degree. Okay. So first we have to find out how many fingers are there after this thumb finger. There is no finger after this thumb finger, so sine 0 will be 0. As there is no finger after this thumb finger, sine 0 will be 0. How many fingers are there after this pointing finger? That is, this is the 30 degree finger. How many fingers are there after this? There is one finger. So we will write it as 1. How many fingers are there after this finger? We have got 2 fingers after this 45 degree finger. So we will write it as 2. How many fingers are there after this ring finger? We have got 1, 2, 3. 3 fingers after this ring finger. So we will write it as 3. How many fingers are there after this little finger? There are 4 fingers after this little finger. So we will write it as 4. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Everything we should divide by 2, and also we should put a root to the numerator. Let us divide it by 2 and the numerator, root for the numerator. Divided by 2 and root to the numerator. Divided by 2 and a root to the numerator. Divided by 2 and a root to the numerator. Okay, so 0 will be 0. What will be root 1 by 2? Root for 1 is 1. So here it will be 1 by 2. So sine 30 is 1 by 2. Next. What is root 2 by 2? We have root 2. There is no root for 2. So instead we will do one thing. We will write a root 2 in the numerator as root 2 itself. And the denominator, we will convert this 2 into root 2 into root 2. This 2 can be converted into root 2 into root 2. So 1 root 2 gets cancelled. So we will have 1 by root 2. So for sine 45, the answer will be 1 by root 2. What will be the answer for 60 degree? It will be root 3 by 2. And what will be the answer for 90 degree? Root of 4 by 2. So what is root of 4? That is 2 by 2. That will be equal to 1. Root of 4 is 2. So 2 by 2 is equal to 1. So we have the values for sine 0 as 0, 30 as 1 by 2, 45 as 1 by root 2, 60 as root 3 by 2 and 90 as 1. Similarly, for cos, we will find out the ratios in a simple, we will follow a simple method to remember these ratios. So first we saw the fingers after this thumb finger. Now we are going to see the fingers before this thumb finger. We are going to see fingers before this thumb finger. How many fingers are there before the thumb finger? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 fingers before this thumb finger. So here it will be 4. For 30 degree, how many fingers are there before this finger, we have 3 fingers before this 30 degree. So here it will be 3. How many fingers are there for this 45 degree finger? There are 2 fingers before this 45 degree finger. So here it will be 2. How many fingers are there for this 60 degree finger? There is only 1 finger before there is after this 60 degree finger. So we will write it as 1. So how many fingers are there after this 90 degree finger? There is no finger after this 90 degree finger. So it is 0. So 4, 3, 2, 1. Again we will draw a root to the numerator and divide it by 2. Root to the numerator and divide by 2. Root to the numerator and divide by 2. And this will be 0. So again, what is root 4 by 2? Root 4 is 2. 2 by 2, it will be 1. Root 3 by 2, same as root 3 by 2. Here again root 2 by 2, we will convert it as root 2 by root 2 into root 2. 1 root 2 will get cancelled. So we have 1 by root 2. Root 4 by 4 is 2 by 2, that is 1. Root 3 by 2. Root 2 by 2 is 2. Root 2 by root 2 into root 2. 1 gets cancelled. So we have 1 by root 2. And again here root of 1 is 1. So 1 by 2. And this it will be 0. So cos 0 is 1. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Cos 60 is half. And cos 90 is 0. So after this we will be able to easily find out the values for tan, cosecant, secant and cot. So what is the value for tan? Value for tan. What is tan 0? 0 by 1 is 0. What is the value for tan 30? It is half by root 3 by 2. It is half by root 3 by 2. We will have 1 by root 3. What is the value for 45? 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2 is 1. For 60, it will be root 3 by 2 by half. So 2 gets cancelled. It is root 3. And what will be 90 degree? 1 by 0, it is not defined. 1 by 0 is not defined. Similarly, for cosecant. Similarly, for cosecant, we have it is 1 by sine. Cosecant is 1 by sine. So 1 by first one is 0. 1 by 0 is not defined. Next 1 by 1 by 2. 1 by 1 by 2 will be 2. Next 1 by 1 by root 2. 1 by 1 by root 2 will be root 2. Next 1 by root 3 by 2. It will be 2 by root 3. The next one 1 by 1, that will be 1. Next secant. Secant is 1 by cos theta. So first 1 by 1. 1 by 1, that will be 1. Next 1 by root 3 by 2. It will be 2 by root 3. Next 1 by 1 by root 2. It will be root 2. Next 1 by 1 by 2. It will be 2. And 1 by 0 will be not defined. If you see, the value of cosecant will be the value for secant will be the exact reverse of cosecant. Cosecant we have 0 as not defined, 30 as 2, 45 as root 2, 60 as 2 by root 3 and 90 as 1. We have secant as 1 here, 2 by root 3, root 2, 2 and not defined. And cot will be the reverse of tan. So first we have not defined, then root 3, then 1, then 1 by root 3 and last it will be 0. So this way we can easily compute the ratios with the help of our hand. Our hand is a method to find out the ratios for different degrees. Okay, simple way for finding out the ratios of different degrees. Fine? Okay.